Good morning children, how are you? I hope you are fine, you are safe and you are eating a very healthy food at your home, spending a lot of time with your parents as well as your siblings and learning a lot of things. So class 5 children, this is the English worksheet. Please open page number 11. See here children, page number 11. You can open page number 11. We are going to complete the worksheet of 1 and let us read the passage. Grace Darling sat her window one dark September morning. She was the daughter of lighthouse keeper. And there was a storm at sea. Suddenly a ship appeared and it was broken into two by the waves. And half of it had been washed away. The crew were clinging to the remaining half, but the waves were dashing over it, and in a little while it would be carried to the bottom of the sea. "We must try to save them," she cried to her father. "Let us go out in the boat at once." "It is of no use, Grace," said her father. "We cannot reach them." He was an old man and he knew the force of the mighty waves. "We cannot stay here and see them die," said Grace. "We must at least try to save them." So they set off, but it was hard rowing in the storm and it seemed as though they would never reach the place. Finally, they were next time to the wreck. They were in as much danger as the drenched crew. Yet one by one they helped the crew on board. Soon they were safe in the lighthouse. Many years later, after she passed away, the people erected a statue to honor her. It is not a large statue, but it speaks of this noble deed. It is a figure of a woman lying at the rest with the boat's oar held in her right hand. Let us see the children the exercises. Circle the correct words to complete the sentences. Grace was the daughter of a lighthouse keeper. Please tick this one children. Most, half or all of the ship has sunk. Half you have to, because it is into two halves it has been drenched, right? Yes. My darling knew the direction of the waves. It seemed as though they would never reach the wreck. Yes. Write the lines in the passage that tells of the following. The duo had a difficult time reaching the wreck. So you have to write this children. We cannot reach them from the passage. I'm just pausing. Just pause the video and you can write children. Grace's father has an experienced man. He was an old man. Please write this children. Grace and her father took a big risk. So they set off. The broken ship was in danger, but it was hard rowing in the storms. Yes. The broken ship was in this, but it was hard rowing in the storm. Grace Darling was respected by the people. The people erected a statue to honor her. This you have to write children. Please turn the page. Please turn the page children. Page number 12. This is the worksheet 2 word wise. Circle the meanings of the words in capital letters. Infrequently. Please circle children, that is rarely. Sermon, speech, shout, sing, that is speech. Silent, softly, whisper or quiet, that is quiet. Anxious, worried, angry or allow, that is worried. Generous, gentle, pretty, giving, that is gentle. Fill in the blanks with the words from the box. Swayed, enlisted, trip, parcel, enchanting. So please write children. Sunil was excited to receive a parcel from his grandmother. This is parcel. First one you have to write parcel. The tall grass swayed in the wind. That is called as swayed. Please write children. We went on a field trip last month. Please write the third one as trip. Renuka has been enlisted for a program to help poor children. Please write here enlisted. Heidi or Heidi, anything you can say, children. Heidi is an enchanting book about a young girl's experiences. Please write here enchanting. See bit, children. If you were to describe the following, what words or phrases would you use? Write 3 words or phrases for each. A rainy day. Like for a rainy day, it is beautiful, it is cloudy, it is drizzly. So please write, children, drizzly here. Next one is a cold night. Very cold, crisp, frosty. Please write, children, crisp, very cold, crisp, frosty. Next one, right, children? Your best friend. How is your best friend, right? What you call as best friend? Bestie, B-E-S-T-I-E, bestie. Chum, C-H-U-M, chum. Biffle, B-I-F-F-E-L-E, biffle. Please write, children, from here. Your favorite sport or game? Match, M-A-T-C-H, match. Competition, C-O-M-P-E-T-I-T-I-O-N, competition. Please write, children, correct spelling you write. Content, this is context, contest, C-O-N-T-E-S-T, contest. Please write, children, contest, C-O-N-T-E-S-T, contest. Next one. Last one, see, children, please here. A place you want to visit, go around. Couch surfing, C-O-U-C-H-S-U-R-F-I-N-G. Have been to, I have been to, I want to been to, that you have to write. Okay, children, so we have completed worksheet 1 and 2, and please complete this worksheet. Thank you, children.